Hiccups and giggles in the middle of the night. Laughter bursts out, everything feels right. We chase the moon and wrestle with the stars. Life's a funny symphony played on air guitars. Skipping through puddles, shoes so wet, counting every raindrop like a winning bet. Your hand in mine as we tiptoe down the street. Every step a new rhyme to a quirky beat. Hiccups and giggles, a melody of cheer. Every silly moment brings us near. Lost in the laughter, there's no need to cry. With you, my friend, we can always fly. Upside down on the couch, talking wild dreams, unlikely plans and ice cream sundae schemes. Painting the walls with our imagination's hues. In a world of wonders, nothing to lose. Whispered secrets shared between two.